Today in crypto. The world of decentralized gaming has seen significant growth in 2021 as the rise of play-to-earn (P2E) gaming merged with NFTs to open the first pathway to the Metaverse. Aavegotchi is currently making inroads in the blockchain-based gaming sector with a somewhat novel approach that incorporates features from P2E gaming, NFTs and decentralized finance, DeFi. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. This weekly roundup of news from Mainland China, Taiwan, and Hong Kong attempts to curate the industry's most important news, including influential projects, changes in the regulatory landscape, and enterprise blockchain integrations. This week, Wanxiang Blockchain hosted its annual Shanghai Blockchain Week, an event that usually brings together the government, enterprise, academic and degen side of the industry for a big celebration of how far decentralized technology has come. Playing hard to get. Ranking the exchanges. Spilling into Hong Kong. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. This week's surge in popular meme coins such as Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, DOGE, could be signs that the good times are back, and a quick glance at crypto Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, shows a long list of tweets where aspiring traders discuss buying Lamborghinis, quitting their day jobs and becoming a full-time crypto traders. While Doge and SHIB are receiving the majority of the attention from media and investors, they are not the only low-priced tokens that have seen a spike in price. On all major networks, including the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, the value of meme coins has risen, a sign that retail investors of all classes are feeling bullish again. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Travala.com, the leading crypto-friendly travel platform, reported an explosive growth during the third quarter of 2021, and the use of cryptocurrencies played the main role. Its blockchain-based platform allows customers to realize payments in over 50 digital coins. CEO Juan Otero stated back in July that 70% of the bookings were being paid by digital coins, getting to see over $1 million gains every week. He also commented that with more people holding cryptocurrencies and more businesses accepting it for real-world things, travel is naturally a desirable experience to use crypto. Related reading: Australian woman travels to 10 countries in 12 weeks on cryptocurrency alone. Travala partnered with Viator, the company owned by TripAdvisor, and Expedia Group. Even though Expedia does not directly accept payments by Bitcoin, by these partnerships alone they offer over 700,000 hotels and accommodations and 400,000 bookable activities that can be purchased with cryptocurrencies. Otero had stated earlier that Travala.com offers over 3 million travel products, making us not just the biggest crypto-friendly online travel agency, but one of the largest overall. In hotel bookings alone, 75% of them were paid by cryptocurrencies, leaving 13% paid by travel credits and only 12% by traditional currencies. Travala's native Aave altcoin raced to the top with 14% of use, followed by Binance Pay with 12% and Bitcoin at 8%. There was a 41% of use for other cryptocurrencies. The CEO certainly met the expectations of his past statement, and now expressed in the Q3 report, even with the last years being the most challenging on record for the travel industry. Travala.com has grown exponentially as the rise in cryptocurrency adoption has more than offset the negative impact of the pandemic. Travala's report states that the Binance Mini app integration, which allows customers to purchase services directly from their Binance exchange wallets, has grown quickly to drive more bookings than any individual token. Aave is Travala's decentralized token that provides economic incentives for users and aims to build a community of guests and hosts that has the power to vote inside the platform. A number of 44,438 Aave tokens were issued for standard booking givebacks, smart loyalty, and invite program rewards, which translates to $155,248. Since August 2021, 30% of all net revenues from Travala.com are now converted to Aave and added to the community pool on a monthly basis. The tokens will be used for initiatives that expand the Aave token's reach and create more diverse use cases, which we expect will benefit the Travala.com platform as well as Aave. Travala started to implement the community pool and community vote using decentralized Aave token governance to give their users the true opportunity to propose changes. The community proposals came up with a concept they are currently working on, proof of travel NFTs, approved with 89.6% of community votes. It consists in allowing their users to claim NFTs through a blockchain-based record of their travels as part of the smart membership status. We can expect this launch to happen during Q4, as they said they are devoting a lot of resources to this as a priority. They are also planning for more partnerships to integrate their mini-app into other exchanges and metaverses, as well as upgrading their wallet infrastructure to support the tokens BEP2, BEP20, and ERC20. The company has invested in growing its development team by 23% during Q3, hiring engineers and customer support teams to improve its core platform and booking infrastructure. They aim to grow their team's headcount even further to 50% in Q4. Travala announced they plan to keep growing and expanding their platform's reach, focusing on providing a better booking experience for crypto travelers around the world. As the travel industry was greatly affected by the times of the pandemic, the company aims for exponential growth by adapting crypto innovations to the industry. So far, by Travala's report alone, many can see how crypto adoption brings the possibility of growth, innovation, jobs, and even new ways to travel and experience the world. As the pandemic changed many aspects of everyone's life, it is outstanding to see that blockchain tech brought improvements. Related reading, CZ, the pandemic situation has benefited the crypto industry. Cardano holds bragging rights for the network with the highest proportion of its circulating supply staked, and it has not let go of this title. Cardano's community is home to investors who are investing for the long term rather than trying to take short-term profits from the market. This means that most investors have their coins staked on the platform to serve as validators on its proof-of-stake mechanism. The blockchain has grown in popularity since it announced smart contracts capability in September. Since then, various partnerships and initiatives focused on increasing usability on the network have been announced. This move seems to have paid off as Cardano saw a record number of total circulating supply hit an all-time high this week. Cardano saw the total ADA staked on its network hit a high of 73.15% on Thursday, an impressive number compared to the number of coins staked on its direct competitors. At this point, the network had a total of 23.9 billion ADA staked across 921,323 delegators. The total circulating supply of ADA is only 33.26 billion coins, meaning that only less than 10 billion are not staked. Related reading, new Ethereum to Cardano bridge will provide NFT creators eco-friendly options. This represents the growing confidence in the future of the project, which some in the space have claimed to be the blockchain of the future. An interesting fact behind Cardano's staking network is that the coins are not locked in place. Unlike Ethereum, ADA holders are still able to transfer out their staked coins if they wish to sell. However, a large proportion of its community has chosen to stake, speaking volumes to the faith of its holders in the project. Despite its impressive new partnerships and projects, Cardano has not fared too well in the crypto market. The altcoin has not followed the rising trend of Bitcoin in the past weeks, which has left ADA struggling to maintain its value above the $2 level. Short-term forecasts for ADA are also generally bearish given the lagging momentum of the digital asset. ADA has greatly fluctuated in recent times, and Wednesday saw the altcoin crash below $2 for the first time in over a month. The price of the digital asset had promptly recovered after the crash. However, the damage had already been done. ADA's loss of steam over the past few weeks became even more evident as the price struggled to hold above $2.01. Related reading, Cardano, Solana lead altcoins as market sees record inflows. Forecasts remain bleak for the asset, especially now since it has so far not rallied with the rest of the market alongside Bitcoin. Cardano's price could very well see a retest of $1.7 before this cycle is over. At the time of writing, the price of the digital asset is trading at $2.02 after posting a small recovery from its dip below $2. Cardano sits at 5th place on the crypto top 10 with a market of $67 billion. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.